If you're ready for a high-quality, solid production-level bandsaw, the Laguna LT series provides size and performance options for any shop. From the largest LT37 down to the compact LT16, these bandsaws are robust and refined for tasks that only a quality bandsaw can deliver. The LT37 is our largest saw and is capable of a 24-inch resaw with a whopping 36-inch throat capacity. It stands tall at 113 inches and weighs in at over 3/4 of a ton. The LT24 has two sizes, and the 17 allows for a 17 and 5/8 inch resaw capacity, while the LT24-24 gives a complete 24-inch resaw. The popular LT18 delivers a full 18-inch resaw capacity with blade sizes up to 1 3/8 inches, while the Resaw Master is specially designed for larger 2-inch blades. The compact LT16 is perfect for resaw needs that are under 16 inches. All of the LT bandsaws share common features like the pyramid spine design with a V-groove that provides outstanding rigidity and vibration dampening. All the machines have a high-low European-style fence, and in the upper cabinet there are rigid welded beam supports for the tension adjustment assembly and for providing additional vibration dampening. The flywheels are cast iron and precision balanced with long-lasting adjustable flywheel brushes. For safety, the foot brake is equipped with a micro switch to instantly cut power and a 2-point blade guard with a locking door. All of the LT saws feature our award-winning Laguna guides, an easy-to-use blade tension indicator, and a top-mounted safety micro switch. The entire LT series have cast iron tables with a beautiful polished top. And under the table, there's a massive steel trunnion mount. The geared rack and pinion adjustments are made with a standard crank handle and set knob, and high-quality Leeson motors are standard across the entire LT line. Each saw features a heavy-duty geared trunnion with a table tilt of positive 45 degrees to negative 10 degrees. There's also a standard 4-inch dust port and table lock key. You can explore our entire line of LT industrial bandsaws and find one that's right for your needs on our website. And there's several options and accessories as well. So for complete specifications, check our website at lagunatools.com or feel free to give us a call at 1-800-234-1976.